O Vice President ka seng Khasi seng kimi mokhar orang ba pidi nongrum ulaong ba haba phai shiki benta jong ka jingkala niam ka riti sanshar jong ka ri India ka aya ka hak balat luat ban phla ya ka no ka jinget henrei halor ki kam jong ka jingkala niam ni jinget om da kwa than ban pinlet jingmut ya ka ne ha ka benta jong ka jingim henrei ka ei ka ba kham smokhya bha ka de ban pha ya ka khubor shaki khun ki hajar ki samla baladan la ka jong ka culture ka custom ka riti dustur la ka jong ka niam ka banget ha uwe ublei but la ki jong ki jinglia niam le rukom balei ha ban tieng ya ka e ka balong mynder henrei dei ban buram ya ka jong ki we but yet but ya la ka jong ulaong bakat ba nang mi kisngi ki post nam ki pat ba kila nang start nang shampang kila sedang ban keli ka ne ka ka tai ka ka balakular ka bamut ban ai hatu ka de ka bathok ne bakla ne ka ba shisha ki sedang ban ya nujor bat kam long shu ka basuk bakin chupidyang lut ya ka balaong ba ka de tang kata ka ba shisha na ba ka dan tang ka we ka jing shisha bat ki benta jangka pat ki bon Habaya day pat ka jingkali halor ka jinglong red pat uba nongrom ulaong ba ka kentien red pat ka day ka kentien ba jukran baha ulaong haba phai shaki we pat ki jinget nalor ka niam tenrai trairi ha India ken sha perkhat ba ki red pat henrei haba perkhat pat ha Meghalaya ha ka ba kila dan bon ki jingkala niam le se la ban ong ba ka niam khasi tenrai ka dan ha ka jinglong red pat henrei om dakwa ban pinlet jingmut palat halor ka ne henrei ka seng Khasi ka trishitam man penne tengka ya la ka jong ka deriti ka kolshor ki jingkordor ban yada ya la ka jong ka tenrai bat jing itho lingba ka custom bat ka jingen uba nongrum ulapan pauru ba kumba ka long menta ka kentien bala dangduna ki bayashim benta ha ka shat sukmansim kam long ka badai namar manla usnam ki nong yashim benta kila nangkiw bat kumba yo I wat ka jaka shat ha waking jayaw ka lakhap niya.
Well, the Constitution itself gives you freedom to profess any faith, right? And as far as conversion is concerned, uh, we do not pay attention to that aspect of life. We are more concerned with sending the message to our own community, to our own youth, that you have your own. You have your own culture, you have your own custom, you have your own religion, a religion which believes in one God. And we have our own rituals, right from the when the fetus is formed in the mother's womb and till the day a person dies and makes his way back to his creator. We have our rituals for all of this, and they are beautiful rituals. When the naming ceremony, then the marriage ceremony, and then the cremation of the remains of the deceased. Why should we go and adopt something which is, in my opinion, foreign to us? It's been brought from other parts of the world, and it and not, I won't say enforced, but been proselytized to us. So that's an important aspect to this conversion, in the sense that with every passing year, with every passing decade, as people gets wiser and as people gets more educated, they start to question. They start questioning, what is this? What is that? What are you promising? What are you giving? Is it real? Is it false? They start analyzing. It's not acceptance of all what we talk to them as, I would say, that word which I wanted to say, as the only truth. There are many truths. The, there is only one truth, but the path are many. Well, I think I leave it to you to judge whether there's been a laxity or otherwise. In many years, we have seen uh, maybe elders in the age of 40, 50 who participate in the dance. But as with every year, you will notice even children of the age of 5, 6 years and youth, especially the youth. If you look, you go and cover the field, you will see that there are more youths than elders. So I wouldn't say that the youth are not participating or that there is a laxity. I'm very proud that the youth have understood the importance of preserving our own traditions and our own customs, especially knowing that we can only preserve our race, distinctiveness of a race through our culture, through our religion.
That means the number is increasing, the participants.
Yes, it is increasing. Every year it's increasing, and the trend is showing very. There's a very good trend that the numbers will increase to such an extent that we may not be able to accommodate the dancers in this particular arena, and we are planning to expand it. We will look for help from different agencies on how to expand this arena and have better facilities like parking slots and canteens, cafeterias, and amenities which go with the present day. No, the government have been supportive in many ways. They've been very supportive, be it the agriculture department, be it through the tourism department. It is we are very grateful to the state government for helping us in many ways, and this present government wants to promote cultural tourism, so to say, and these events that we have, these dances that we have, are one way of promoting cultural tourism. And in that respect, the government has been helping us, and we are very grateful to.